iPhone not taking screenshots? Here's how to fix. Step 1. Remove your phone case. Sometimes a tight or misaligned case blocks the volume up plus side button combo. Remove your case. Try taking a screenshot again. If it still doesn't work, move to the next step. Step 2. Check your iPhone storage. Open Settings. Tap General. Tap iPhone Storage. Make sure you have enough free space. If storage is full, screenshots may fail to save. Delete large files and recently deleted files. Now test the screenshot again. Step 3. Check Accessibility button settings. Go to Settings. Tap Accessibility. Tap Side button. Change click speed to slow. Incorrect button click speed can also interrupt screenshots. Now try the screenshot again. If it still doesn't work, move to the next step. Step 4. Restart your iPhone. Go to Settings. Tap General. Tap Shut Down. Turn your iPhone off and on again. Minor glitches get fixed this way more often than you think. Step 5. Force restart your iPhone. Here's how. Press volume up. Press volume down. Now hold the side button. Don't slide to power off. Keep holding until you see the Apple logo. This refreshes your system and fixes temporary glitches. Don't worry, this won't delete any personal data. After the phone restarts, test the screenshot again. Step 6. Reset all settings. If nothing worked so far, open Settings. Tap General. Tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset. Choose Reset all settings. Enter your passcode and confirm. This resets system settings like display, network, and button controls, but does not delete your data. Try the screenshot again. If it still doesn't work, move to the next step. Step 7. Update iOS. Open Settings. Tap General. Tap Software Update. Install the latest iOS version. Updating can fix software bugs that break screenshots. Once updated, the screenshot issue should be fixed.